Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Huawei has just announced a new P Smart device. It's a P Smart 2019. So after last year's normal P Smart, let me just grab me the device here, which was a little bit smaller. Then in August they introduced the P Smart Plus already with a Kirin 710 SoC, which was bigger. Of course, it was a Plus device, and now we got the P Smart 2019, which is in my opinion more P Smart Plus in a different case. But let's start with the device. I bought it myself on Amazon. That's the reason why we got those Amazon stickers here, why it's open, and why we already got a 16GB storage card with the device. Starting price of the P Smart 2019 is 250 euros, which is in my opinion way too much. I paid now 215 euros on Amazon, and there's some kind of you get 50 euros in store credit if you buy this device. So I paid roughly 165 euros for it if you just take the credit and if you were planning to buy something at Amazon or any other store. And now getting with this 219 version of the P Smart. But what I wanted to tell you, without checking the device out, only reading the specs and knowing all the other Huawei devices that are out on the market, please don't pay more than 200 or better below 200 euros for the device. So it's a dual SIM version. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM. It's a Aurora Blue version. And we don't get any more information on the packaging. So we open it up and we see the micro SD card with an adapter from Amazon. So this is originally not in the bundle or not in the box. We get the device and there we go. Let's see the backside, and this is the reason why some people, or this is the reason how Huawei is advertising this device, because it looks a little bit like this twilight blue. You got this nice shimmering colors, but that's it. Because this is not metal, this is not glass, this is just a plastic, a cheap plastic not case. It's the backside, and it does not feel that nicely in your hands. It only looks good, but in comparison to a device with a glass backside or even with last year's P Smart, this really feels nice. For the price of the P Smart of last year, this was a decent device in my opinion. A lot of people complained about the display, but in combination of everything, this was just okay. But this year's model, I don't really get it. So I push, it's already turned on. So this is nice. You can see the big screen. We got no Honor logo on front. We got only a little drop notch on top for the front facing camera. Speakers is in the frame, on the front side of the frame. On the right side, we got the on off button, which I can reach with my thumb, and the volume down button as well, but not the volume up button. If I operate the device with my left hand, it's exactly the same. Viewing angles are not that great of the display. Of course, don't have too high expectations on the display, but I mean it's 6.21 inch. It's Full HD Plus, so 19.5 by 9. It's a big display, and it's a nice design if you're looking from the front. If you're looking from the front, you only see the greenish. You don't really get distracted by the bluish down here. We got SIM card tray on top, microphone as well on top. Nothing on the left side. Down here, we still got a headphone jack. We got a microphone, a speaker, and yes, this is a micro USB port. You got a 2019 device with a micro USB port for a price of 250 euros. It's insane, Huawei. I don't know why you are doing this. On the back side, you see, of course, Huawei. No, this is just a sticker. This is not. Oh, yes, it's not. It's not a sticker. It's a Huawei logo on the side. AI camera, don't get your expectations up too high. This will be the standard camera combination out of 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel for more depth information. We got the fingerprint sensor on the back side, and that's it. The camera module is standing out maybe 1 millimeter. And front-facing camera should be an 8 megapixel module. There are a couple of different versions around the world of the P Smart 2019. I guess also with different names. So first impression, it looks nice. Yes, I give it the looks. I don't like micro USB. I'm not sure if it got NFC. On the sticker it was not mentioned that it got NFC. It's a dual SIM or combi SIM version, as you already noticed, so you can choose between 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a micro SD card. But the feeling of the device, it's cheap. I can't tell it differently. This feels a little bit like the UmiDigi I tested a couple of months ago. So let's see what else we got in the box. We got a charger, normal USB port with 5 volt 2 ampere. We got our grayish USB to micro USB cable. We still get the Huawei headset. Yes, Huawei headphones. And we got our SIM card tray opening tool, no case with the device, and warranty card, and no stickers, and our starter guide, which only tells us, oh, there should be NFC, okay, and where the buttons are and how to open the SIM card tray up. So this is everything you get with the device. Again, first impression. I know why Huawei is bringing or delivering or producing the 2019 P Smart, because the P Smart sold well. People are still got the name. It's like the P8 Lite version, which they rebranded or renewed with the 2017 in the name. People are buying these things, and I'm not sure this is a good thing, because the Kirin 710 that's built in here, it's on the same performance. The performance will be the same as last year's version. Maybe, yes, you get Android 9 and Emotion UI 9. And I'm really looking forward to find out how well this will run. But this is something for the next video. But this is just the standard Huawei hardware we know now for around 12, 13, 18 months. I would say for a price of 250 euros, grab an Honor Play, for example, where you will get a way more decent, way more powerful device. Maybe even get a Motorola G6 Plus, a Nokia 7 Plus or anything like that. A Xiaomi device, an A2, all those devices will be better than the P Smart 2019. This is what I'm saying before testing this device, but I'm pretty sure from knowing the other things in this price range and the other Huawei devices, which are not bad. For the price, there are some that are really, really good. But this is just one of those standard things, and I'm warning, because just buy it because it got a big screen, the nice design, and the colorful backside. But this is nothing really fancy here. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Bye.